open Google Chrome and just type Google Form. The first link you will see Google Form, so you click on the create button. Right now you will see this screen and you will see go to Google Form. Click on this, go to Google Forms. Now the plus sign, it means you are going to create a new form. Click on the plus button. Here it will be untitled form, so you just write here a title, means your subject, and in the description the chapter and topic. So I am just writing subject computer science chapter 1, and the name of chapter is Python revision. Then after you just add, click on the setting button here. In mobile you will see 3 dot there. Click on the setting. Now here you will see general, presentation and quiz. So in general you select collect email address and limit to 1 response. Click on the quiz and click on the make this a quiz. That's all. Okay, so student can view score immediately after submission. In the score there will be missed question, correct question and point value. Click on the save button. Now this email address will be automatically in the as a first question. Next question always name, so this will be a short answer type, and you can make a duplicate here, and there you will be the class. So the first question is email, second is name, and third is the class. There will be short. Now actual question we are going to start from the fourth one. So we are just giving a number which is a, sorry, it should be an input device, and you always give question number 1 because actual question number is starting from this place. Now you add some options for the choice, right? Monitor. Now click on the add other, add option, and you will get more options. Okay, so monitor, printer, add option, then third one is keyboard, again add option, and fourth one is speaker. Okay, so after completion of this you click on the answer key because we need to set the marks for this question. So here answer key in mobile you will see this block with the correct sign. Here you need to just specify the point or the marks for this question, so I am just adding 1 marks. Now you need to check the correct answer keyboard and done. You will see the tick mark, green color tick mark with the correct answer. Now you copy and make a duplicate question, change the question here. So this is the next question. I'm just writing image question. This will be useful for the maths. If the complicated equations are there, you can click on upload and browse. If the photo is available in the computer or gallery, then you can select from internal storage, document, my document, internal storage, and there in the gallery you can select. I will see that there is a photograph in my computer somewhere I deleted. Okay, it is in the recycle bin, so I will just restore it on the desktop back. Okay, this is done. Now I will select this photograph equation from the desktop. Here is my equation. So complicated equations or questions, you can take the picture directly from the camera, or if it is in the gallery, then you can put it here at the place of question. So suppose there is an expression and I want to know that what will be the answer after solution of this, right? After solving this expression, so answer this question, I will just write imaginary answer here, some numbers that when you solve, then you will get this number, right? So 4 options are there. This time 78 because the last one is third option. So now this time I will choose this 34. Sometime you can see that multiple answer may be correct, so you can tick mark both. But just now I am just leaving it for 34 only. 1 point marks already there, and click on the done button. Okay. Now make it duplicate. This time I don't want this image, so I will search for the remove. Okay, it's not here. When you click on the image, you will see the 3 button there and click on the remove. Even you can change the size by clicking and dragging the corners. Okay, so now here is the next question. I will change the question number here, and this time I am going to put a geography question like map. Okay, on the map you select the map where already the point 1, 2, 3, 4 mark for the places. Suppose you want to ask that what is the name of first point, second point and third point. Okay, so here you need to mark that point number 1 indicate Delhi, point number 2 indicate this, and point number 3 indicate this. So I am taking picture afterward. Just I am writing the point number 1 means 4 place name and their reference on the map 1 2 3 4. So this is just like a match the following. The Delhi is on which point? I am changing the column right side also here. So Delhi 1 2 3 and 4. So if Delhi is on the 4th place, I am just opening one map. If it is not in my gallery, then I will directly select from the Google image search. You just write map questions. Generally you will get many questions there of the map. Oh, I need to change it with the CBSE class 10th. Or just now for example I will select any map here. Identify places on the map, right? So you just change the text for what you are searching. Otherwise what you do, you just take one map, point 1 2 3 4 right there, and you can just take the picture from your mobile. Okay, so I'm not getting a appropriate map for the question, so I'm just taking any one map here. Okay, this is the India map. Insert, click on the insert button. You will see the map will appear here under the question number 3. Okay. Oh, it's very big. So what you do, you click on the map, drag the corner and make it small. Okay. You just need to mark 1 2 3 4 on the map somewhere, so a student can identify that what is the name of place number 1 2 3 4, and he will match. Now we need to define the marks for each. So 4 match the columns are there, so 1 mark for each, correct? So here I will put 1 marks, 1 marks, 1 marks, 1 marks, 1 marks, and done. That's all. But I need to specify the answer for all. So Delhi is 1, Jaipur is on 3rd, Ajmer in the 4th, and Kota is in the 2nd position, and done. That's all. Okay. So these are some questions here. This is how you will create quiz. Now this file will be saved in your Google Drive. Anytime when you close Google Chrome, then you can open this file again from. Now see, again I am adding the new question by clicking the plus sign. If you want, you can add as many questions which you want. Okay. Now I am just explaining the one more type of the question, short answer. Suppose somebody asks what is the name of your computer teacher, so a student can type Sunil sir, or maybe multiple answers like Yasmin ma'am or Safia Bano. Don't mind the spellings. So I'm just writing. If a student will write any one name from this, then he will get 1 marks for this correct answer. And for other name, here 1 marks for any one name, right? So you can add multiple options for correct, and any other name will be incorrect. So I will tick mark this and done. Okay, so this is my simple form with the 4 question. If you want, you can add more question here. If you want to delete any unwanted question, okay. If you want image, then you can take from there. You can write question here. Okay, I am deleting this question. 4 questions is enough. Now come on the top, you click on the preview, so you can test your quiz, that how it will look by the students. Name, class, section is not here. Now there are different questions. You can see, student can see the marks for each question and submit. Okay. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that you need to specify required for each questions. So student cannot leave any question unattempted, right? So you click on the question, and at the bottom you will see required. So you tick mark on the required. First you need to select question for your options. Select the question and mark as a required. Here 4th question required. Done. Okay. Then after, you come on the top and click on the send button. So you will see the chain icon. This is the link icon here, and this is the very long link. So you click shorten URL, click copy, and whatever the copy you can send to the any one person to the WhatsApp. Okay, so this is done. Now very easy to create a Google quiz using this method. Thank you.